Welcome everyone to another round of Digitest training, and my name is Adebayo. So we'll be taking you on how to source for stock images for your design, either graphics design or for your image generation, human imitation, whatever thing you want to do as far as this online business, digital marketing is concerned. So I'm going to show you how you can source for images you can use in your digital marketing journey and in this course. So the first thing you need to do is to come to freepik.com. So you can see the interface of this place. So you can get your vectors, images, even videos and some other things from here. So let me start with vectors. So we just briefly go around these websites and see some of the cool stuff we can get. You can see some of the vectors, uh, templates you can get from here. So we all have a whole lot of things. We have the education sector, can you see? So everything you need for your design, you have the measure, then you also have symbols. And if you are into design, you know that all these things are what is needed for your design. So let's go to, if you look at the upper part here, okay, let me just back it. We have photos. So let's see what we have in photos. Can you see? For those of you that are into graphic design, this will, you can see some of the things you may be needing here for your design. And can you see? I believe if you are into design, you will have seen this thing before. This is where you can get it from. Can you see? So, and for those of you into AI image generation, you can see you can actually use this stock image to turn it to a talking avatar for your businesses. And if you want to download, you just click on download. There's option for premium, there's option for what? For free. So you can get it for free. So okay, let me just search here. Let me type surprise. Let me just type surprise. And let's see, can you see? I believe you've seen this in so many design online. So this is how you can actually get yours. Can you see? So if I want to use any of this for image generation using AI, talking avatar, I can use any of this. So let me search for presenter, because that is you just tap it in the search bar and click OK and to search for something related to that for us. So let's see. Can you see? It's cool. So if you are into video production or image generation, talking it better, you see all these presenters, something can be cool for you, that you have an image talking, making a presentation of what you are actually selling or what you're actually marketing. You get. So this is a cool tool for you to use without any fear of copyright infringements. And for those of you into design, you can just pick any of the picture here. You can use your image generation AI app to transform it, to change the image a little so that it will be free from any form of copyright infringement. So let's type president. So let's see what we have here. So so this is how you can just type anything you want to, the idea you have in mind. Maybe we have pictures that will really do the job for you. Then you can go to the video, stock videos, For those into video editing, you can get stock videos here that may be useful for your Zeton ideas into story with high quality watch videos. So you can see the videos category: stock market, sales training, office videos. So let's look at sales training videos and let's see what they have to offer. You see, this is just amazing. This is absolutely amazing. This is absolutely amazing. So let's just click on one. I think they're just short videos. So let's click on one and let's see. Can you see? This is absolutely amazing. Then license free. Free. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to pay for it. If you want to download it, just download there. Download there. And if you want to get the premium, you can see the price there. So let's check another one also. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is more or less African. So the duration here is 12 minutes. So so let's go to the home page and let's see other things. Then here PSD. So let's see what they have for us. So this place is loaded. It's loaded with so many templates, with so many things you might want to use. You might want to use for your design. Can you see? And some of these things you can get it for free. Anywhere you see this logo, you can see this is basically a premium version. So in short, you can get the inspiration for your design here. If you want to design anything, you can just come in here and just get the inspiration to give you a kind of idea of what you might want to design, a certificate template. There are just so many. Look at this. There are just so many. So this place can actually be your inspiration. So let's go to the home page again and let's see what they also have in stock. Then templates. These are premium content. So let's just check on one. So you can download. I guess this one is free license. You can download for free. And from there you can continue your design. So I want you to like this video if you are watching on YouTube and drop a comment for this premium content you are getting. If you like our video, like and subscribe to our channel and drop click on the notification bell icon so that when we drop our next video, you'll be able to be the first to get the notification so that more people will be able to see our videos. See you in the next video.